guys, this is my new color stationery. I have one holder over here and over here is all color and color. Look, this is another color, like camel color. Let's open. Oh, so nice color and big color it is. Look, so nice. Let's try it. I have rough copy also. Let's try all the colors. First we have all pastel color. All pastel color. Look, yellow. So nice, it can be work. Second stationery. Scissor, scissor, scissor. Scissor. It can cut. It's cut. Another stationery is this color. We have so many colors like this. Look, orange. Second stationery is this pen. Blue. Look, we have so many colors. It can be worked like this. I'll show you black also. Okay, black. This is the black color. Look. We have so many colors. Then another stationery is this. What is this? I will show you. We can draw like this. And we can scratch the all pastel. Then another collection is this colors. Oh, it fell down. Let's keep it all the things where we are enjoying to the class, another class. And this is the brush. I will show you how to use this. Okay, you know how to use already, but I will show today. Okay, this is the brush. You have to chaplang. Chaplang. We have to do keep it, and this you have to do like this. Look, this green, so nice green. No, how to wipe now? Oh, that is shock. But I will wrap over here only, because this is my own paper, not the new. My channel name is Soina Chetri. SWARIN Soina CHHETRI Chetri. What Chetri? That is double H. Okay, not single H. Double H. That is. Let's pick it up. The black color. The black color is falling down and falling down. Yeah. I will show you all the colors. And we have another stationery. This sharpener. Then rubber. We have already used this color. And how many colors are there? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 are there. And this brush pen are this much. Oh. Then let's keep it this. Then another collection of colors. One red is missing. The another collection is this. Let's keep it. Then another collection is this. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, and another is this. Oh, it fall down. There are so many colors, and one is missing over here. Is this color? And last one brush we have got, and scissors. You saw how it can be worked. Then another collection we have. This two you saw already. Then another you saw this. Then last one you have to do this. So nice. It is bye bye. Like, subscribe, comment how this color was nice or not nice. Share, please share to others. Thank you for watching. My channel name is SWRIN. So, bye bye.